Imagine a kitchen appliance that's small enough to fit on your countertop, but powerful enough to replace half your kitchen gadgets. This Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven is exactly that. A versatile 1800-watt marvel that air fries, bakes, broils, toasts, and more, all while saving space and delivering restaurant-quality meals. Whether you're a busy parent, a college student, or a foodie with a small kitchen, this 6-in-1 stainless steel powerhouse is about to revolutionize your cooking game. Let's dive into why this compact oven is a must-have in 2025. Why you'll fall in love with the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Picture this. It's a hectic weeknight and you're craving crispy fries and a juicy burger, but you don't want the hassle of deep frying or heating up your full-sized oven. Enter the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven. With its 1800-watt motor and 6-in-1 cooking functions. This appliance delivers perfectly cooked meals in minutes, all while keeping your kitchen cool and your cleanup minimal. Its sleek stainless steel design not only looks modern, but also fits snugly in tight spaces, making it a dream for small apartments or dorms. What sets this oven apart is its ability to multitask like a pro. From air-frying golden chicken wings to baking gooey chocolate chip cookies, it handles it all with precision. The wide temperature range, warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures you can tackle any recipe, while the 2.5-pound air fry capacity means you can cook enough for the whole family. Plus, its analog controls are refreshingly simple. No complicated digital screens to navigate. Just twist the dials, set the timer, and let the magic happen. Key features that make it stand out. 6-in-1 versatility. Air fry, toast, convection bake, convection broil, pizza, and warm. Handle any dish with ease. Compact yet spacious. Fits up to 2.5 pounds of food, perfect for small kitchens without sacrificing capacity. Powerful 1800-watt motor. Delivers fast, even cooking for crispy, delicious results every time. Wide temperature range. From a gentle warm to a sizzling 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready for any recipe. Simple analog controls. Easy to use dials for temperature, toast shade, and cooking functions. Stainless steel design, sleek, durable, and easy to clean for a modern kitchen aesthetic. Included accessories, comes with an oven rack, baking pan, and air fry basket for instant cooking convenience. 3-year limited warranty. Peace of mind with Cuisinart's reliable support. Real benefits for real people. The Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer. Toaster. Oven isn't just about fancy features, it solves real cooking problems. No more cluttered countertops with separate air fryers, toasters, and ovens. This all-in-one appliance frees up space while delivering healthier meals, thanks to its air frying function that uses little to no oil. Craving crispy fries? You'll get that satisfying crunch without the guilt. Need to reheat leftovers? Forget soggy microwave meals. This oven crisps them up like they're fresh. For busy folks, the quick preheat and fast cooking times are a game changer. You can whip up a personal pizza or roast veggies in half the time it takes a traditional oven. And cleanup? A breeze. The non-stick interior and removable crumb tray make post-cooking maintenance effortless. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or hosting a small dinner party, this oven delivers consistent, mouth-watering results. Who's it for? This compact oven is perfect for small space dwellers, apartment residents, dorm students, or RV campers who need a powerful yet compact appliance. Health-conscious cooks, those who want crispy, fried-like foods without the excess oil. Busy professionals and parents, anyone needing quick, delicious meals without the hassle. Gadget lovers, home cooks who want one device to replace multiple kitchen tools. What the reviews are saying. Users rave about the Cuisinart Compact Air Fryer Toaster Oven's versatility and ease of use. One reviewer called it a dorm room miracle, noting how it baked cookies, air-fried chicken nuggets, and toasted bagels perfectly. Another praised its compact size, saying it fits on my tiny counter but cooks like a full-sized oven. While some noted the lack of digital controls, most appreciated the straightforward analog dials for their reliability and simplicity. A few things to consider. No appliance is perfect. The Cuisinart's analog controls, while user-friendly, may feel less precise for recipes requiring exact temperatures. If you're cooking larger meals, the 2.5-pound capacity might limit you to smaller batches. And while it's compact, it's still a bit taller than a standard toaster, so measure your counter space. However, these minor drawbacks pale in comparison to its overall performance and convenience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.